Remember the 66608? Baba ko sa 4H time frame Alright. The 66608, sabi natin dyan, yaan yung may lumabas na TPY short dito, yan yung entry mo. Alright. So kung nag-enter na, so you're pwedeng nag-TP na kayo and then you're running your short. Okay, pwedeng iba nagra-run ng short. Ngayon po, sa 4-hour time frame, again, meron na naman tayong short. Kasama pa nung triangle. So kaya tumutulo po tayo ngayon, ha? So yung mga ganitong setup, okay, if you're using TPY, hindi po lahat ng lumalabas na signal dyan ay sasakyan ninyo. Hindi po ganun ang paggamit. Kailangan pong intindihin ninyo. I explained this, di ba? You have to identify basic muna, support and resistance. So kasi you want to enter near that area sa support and resistance area. And second, blue trading below the yellow, you look for short opportunities. Red cloud, you look for short opportunities. So, hindi ka maglo-long. Huwag mo sasakyan yung mga long na yan. Maiipit ka talaga dyan. Kasi you're counter trading Diba? Nilalabanan mo yung trend. Ayan na yung malinaw kay Tipay, no? Binibigyan niya tayo ng trend. What's next for Bitoy? Lipat natin sa daily time frame, Last Friday, nung sinilip natin to, ito po, 60,231. No? Ito yung possible area ng support. Sarado muna sa 60,000, round number. We might see some buyers in this area. Kaya ba niyan tuluan yan ngayon? I don't know. Pag tinagos yan, ito mas matibay. Ito meron dito. Most likely yan dito pa. Mas marami dito yung mga buyers. Look at this, no? This will coincide dun sa trend line natin. Yan yung trend line, Support, support. Okay, naging resistance, binasag, retest. Ito, most likely 57, 56, 55. Nandyan sa area na yan, buyers will show up kung sakali man, no, na aabot tayo dyan. Buyers will show up in this area. Especially yung mga nag-aabang, no, ng dip, most likely pwedeng dito. Dito ang makakita na support. Ngayon, tatagusin ba yung support na yan? Eventually, I don't know. Let's see ano sasabihin sa atin ng price action. Alright? As discussed also last week, ito pong trend line na to is very steep. Okay? Kaya sabi natin, pwede itong basagin. Pataas.